Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In front of you Epson LQ-350 printer, and printer is not feeding the paper from the rear path, okay. And this is a feeder roller, you can say tractor. It's actually at the time of feeding paper, it's getting stuck in the middle. So I want to make a quick video about this problem. If ever your printer is not feeding the paper well, LQ-350, so you have to make sure that this is called tractor, okay, and this is the gear of tractor and it's work with this gear, okay. The location of this gear is here. I just replaced it. This is a tractor gear, okay. So you can see the old gear, it's used from that side a lot. So whenever it rotate with this, it's missing, okay. It's supposed to be rotate with this gear, okay, both together. So the health of this gear is little damage. If you can see in the video, it's massive used from the one side and the other side is fine. The right side should be rotate with this gear. So just I replaced a new one here. Here is the new gear. Just I replaced it. I have another one. If you can see here also, you can see the right side is used massively. So this gear is called spur gear or tractor gear. This is the cause to misfeed the paper or unable to feed paper well from the paper path. So whenever if your printer got stuck the paper, you have to make sure that first of all about this gear, okay. You have to replace this gear. You can find it on AliExpress, and there are many other websites they are providing, eBay as well as. So that's it for now. If you have any other question regarding LQ350, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.